Did you accidentally block someone from your Facebook account and now you regret doing that and wish to add that person back? However, you do not know where the block list is, so do not worry, I'll help you with the same. To check who you have blocked on Facebook, the procedure is simple. Open facebook.com, click on your profile picture at the top right corner, select settings and privacy and then click on settings. Wait for the page to load. Now go to the privacy tab on the list on the left hand side. After that, go to the blocking tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll notice an option named block user. Click on edit corresponding to it. You can add someone to the blocked list, that is a different case, but to see who you have blocked, click on this option see your blocked list. Everyone you have blocked has been mentioned here and all you need to do to unblock them is to click on unblock corresponding to their name. But once you unblock them, you will not be able to reblock them for 48 hours as it has been mentioned here. Click on confirm. Isn't this easy and interesting? If this was helpful, then please feel free to subscribe to our channel, and if this did not help you, then please let us know in the comment section. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.